Respected principals, sir, teachers, dear parents, and my lovely friends, today is very special day. It is our UKG graduation day. We are all very happy and excited. We started as little kids in nursery, learning to say ABC and 1, 2, 3. Now we read, write, and do many things. We have learned songs, rhymes, stories, and good manners. We have also made wonderful friends. A big thank you to our teachers for loving us and teaching us. Thank you, dear parents, for helping every day. Now we are ready for great fun. We will keep learning and growing once again. Thank you all for beginning her. Congratulations to all my friends. Have a great day.
Audience, may I have a thunder of claps? It's time to welcome our upper kindergarten scholars who have completed their graduation and crossed a milestone in their lives for the academic year 2024 to 25.
Let's welcome our young graduates, tiny scholars onto the stage along with their respective parents.
Beautiful Bhavagna, special Subiksha Reddy, wonderful Venkata Sai Sneha, joyful Jivanshika, skillful Shanvika, Dolly Devanshita, super Samira, kindly Kirtana, brave Banu
Good morning
Teja.
everyone, my name is Samira. Today is a very special day because you are graduating from. Thank you to my teachers for teaching me so many things. You all learn our ABCD numbers and several moral values like to sharing and caring. I would also like to give a big thank you to my parents for their love and support. I will miss my classroom and teachers, but I am excited about going to grade 1. Thank you.
Very cute Vedansh, mesmerizing Mokshit Reddy, best Bevansh Achyutram, Victory Venkatesh, variant Venkata Sai Kumar, memorable Mokshakna, stylish Samuel, great Guru Sai Bhavyansh, Royal Rudranath, rocking Rubesh.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bevan Shachudra from UKG. Respected correspondents, teachers, dear parents, and my dear friends. Today I am delighted to welcome you all. We all are here celebrate graduation day. I would like to share my experience with you. We learn many things. I am grateful to all my hardworking teachers. They always loved us through us with good care. Finally, all the best, my fellow graduates. Thank you.
I request Mr. Srinivas Kakane Garu and Nirmala Garu to give the certificates and medals to the graduates.
Good afternoon. My name is Mokshit Reddy from UKG. Respected correspondents, teachers, parents, and my fellow graduates. Today is my last day at UKG. We all are here to celebrate graduation day. I would like to share some of my experience in learn preposition, reading, writing, people who help us, parts of plants, etc. We also done some activities and had a wonderful virtual field trip, and we celebrate two special days such as Teachers Day, Colors Day, Children's Day, etc. Thank you teachers for making me bloom and grow. I love you teachers. I hope your blessing always with me.
I congratulate all kids on completion of their graduation on behalf of Priyanka English Medium School. kids, thank you so much. We wish you all success for a bright future.
Get ready for the performance by our first class Little Champs Ranu Bombaiki Ranu song.
Give a big round of applause. Congratulate all the kids on behalf of
for their better
As they
bright
turn the
future.
page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright and how to take our turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done.
Thank you so much, beautiful Bhavagnya. Spectrum countrywide. Among all the schools participated, she got national 7th rank. Congratulations, V. Krida Parnika. On behalf of Priyanka Group of Schools, we hope you have a bright future. Next, I call upon P. Navyasri, state 10th rank, statewide. మన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ మొత్తానికి స్టేట్ 10th ర్యాంక్ అమాంగ్ ఆల్ ద కార్పొరేట్ స్కూల్స్ షీ గాట్ స్టేట్ 10th క్లాప్ క్లాప్ క్లాప్. ఐ కాల్ అపాన్ ఏ చైతన్య సాయి తేజ జోనల్ 8th ర్యాంక్. దట్ మీన్స్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ వైడ్ అనమాట. మన ఎస్పీఎస్ఆర్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ వైడ్ జోనల్ 8th ర్యాంక్ గోస్ టు ఏ చైతన్య సాయి తేజ ఫ్రమ్ 7th క్లాస్. డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ వైడ్ 6th ర్యాంక్. On behalf of Priyanka Group of Schools, hope you have a bright future. And upcoming winners, Math B winners. So they went to Hyderabad అండి. మొత్తం జోనల్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ స్టేట్ అన్నీ క్రాస్ చేసి దే వెంట్ ఫర్ హైదరాబాద్ మ్యాథ్ బి. మేము ఈ గ్రూప్లో కూడా పోస్ట్ చేసాము. మ్యాథ్ బి విన్నర్స్ ఆర్ ఫర్ ద అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ వి దీక్షిత్ సాయి, P. Navyasri, and again once more congratulations Navyasri, congratulations V. Deekshit Sai. Thank you so much for keeping up our name. There, P. Navyasri from 8th standard, Math B winners. Next, we go for the song. Sai Surya from 7th standard, P. Ganesh from 7th standard, P. Varshita from 5th standard. Congratulations, Akshita. M. Harshit from 6th standard. Congratulations, M. Harshit. Clap, 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 all the winners. Congratulations. M. Jessica from 6th standard. Next, G. Medashree from 6th standard. Semi-final వరకు వెళ్ళినటువంటి పిల్లలండి వీళ్ళు. G. Medashree from 6th standard. T. Lokesh Sai Surya from 7th standard. P. Ganesh from 7th standard. Congratulations, P. Varshita from 5th standard. P. Ganesh, congratulations on behalf of Priyanka School. P. Varshita from 5th standard. P. Varshita from 5th standard. మా స్కూల్కి ఉండాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ యువర్ సపోర్ట్. క్లాప్ క్లాప్ క్లాప్. పేరెంట్స్, ఇది మీ విజయం. మీరు సక్సెస్ చేసినటువంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్కి ఇది మీ విజయం. మీరే క్లాప్ చేయాలి. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. నౌ ద థర్డ్ ప్రైజ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద జడ్జెస్ పోల్ 2 కన్సలేషన్ కూడా మేము తీసుకున్నామండి. నాట్ ఓన్లీ ద 1, 2, 3. డిష్ రాగి వడ అండి. అండ్ ఫైనల్ కన్సలేషన్ ప్రైజెస్ దాల్ పన్నీర్ పిజ్జా ఫర్ ద డిష్, ఎస్కే జాస్మిన్ పన్నీర్ పిజ్జా. సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఓట్స్ ఏ డిష్ అయితే వచ్చాయో మేము అవి కలెక్ట్ చేసామండి విత్ వ్యూ ఓన్లీ ఆన్ ద బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ టోకెన్స్ అండి. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ ప్రైజ్ స్టాల్ నెంబర్ 26 ఏ బేవా, స్టాల్ నెంబర్ 74, స్టాల్ నెంబర్ 74 యమ్మహీమ్ మటన్ ఫిష్ ఫ్రూట్ సలాడ్, యమ్మహీమ్ బిర్యానీ. యమ్మహీమ్ మేరా చికెన్ బిర్యానీ. చాలా బిర్యానీస్ చేశారు. సో టోకన్ వైజ్ గా కలెక్షన్
Tessie, Smiley Srividya, Wondering Varshita, Terrific Tanushka, Rocking Roshika, Amazing Yashwant Sai, Super Sai Satvik, King Karthik Sai. Srinivas Garu to give certificates and medals to the graduates. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I congratulate
kindly Kirtana on behalf of Priyanka Group of on behalf of Priyanka Group of Schools.
I congratulate Wondering Varshita to completing her graduate on behalf of Priyanka English Medium School.
I congratulate Terrific Tanushka on behalf of Priyanka Group of Schools.
I
I congratulate Stunning Shifanjum to completing her graduation on behalf of Priyanka English Medium School.
I congratulate Queen Kirtika on behalf of Priyanka Group of Schools.
I congratulate Brave Benny to completing his graduation on Priyanka Group of Schools.
I congratulate Star Sudhiraj on completion of his graduation on behalf of Priyanka Group of Schools.
I congratulate talented Tarun Teja his completion of graduation on Priyanka Group of Schools.
I congratulate Awesome Abub Khan on behalf of Priyanka Group of Schools. Now I request our 5th class students to give group speech on this
Business ma'am and all dear teachers, parents and my friends. Today is a very special day for all of us as we hands here to celebrate the graduation day. It feels like just yesterday we walked into the school for the first time filled with excitement and curiosity. We have learned so much from learning the basics of reading, writing, learning and arithmetics in the early years to now. We have come a long way understanding science, social studies and subjects like computer. We have made a long way. Our teachers have guided us and encouraged us and helped us to grow every day. And for that, we are truly thankful. Beyond the academics, we have learned the importance of being kind, respectful and responsible. Thank you, ma'ams.
We would like to take a moment to express cheerful thanks to everyone for a part of our journey. Special thanks to our directors, sir, for a vision and leadership. Thanks to our director, sir. We would like to share some few words. We have ensured that we have best opportunities to learn and grow. Thanks to our dear ma'ams for your encouragement. Thank you.
Special thanks to our dear moms, Priyanka ma'am, Chamundeshwari ma'am and Nagalakshmi ma'am, to all our teachers from play class to grade 5th. Thank you moms for your dedication and hard work. Thank you for all teaching and non-teaching staff, caretakers and van takers taking care of our secured lives. Thank you to all my parents for your unwavering support, love and encouragement. You have been our greatest leaders and always stood by us. Thank you. And we was entering in a new chapter of our education. We would like to take up the lessons, memories we made here. We are excited for what ahead lies and promise to do our best as we continue our journey. Thank you for being a part of this memorable. Thank you and have a nice day.
Today we are graduated from Priyanka's Gardens of Education. I could like to thank everyone for beginning with us in this journey. First of all, I thank to my parents to choose such a wonderful place for me to get best in my life. Our school had made a remarkable change in our education system and in our surroundings. I am very happy and delighted to be graduated from Priyanka's Gardens of Education. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I am here starting with blissful smile to take my graduation certificate with all your support. Thank you.
On behalf of my fellow graduates, I have taken this opportunity to thank our director Sir Srinivas Garu and Headmistress Ma'am Nirmala Srinivas Garu to give us such an opportunity and to get the best education. You have given us the best education with integrating teaching techniques. We never get bored for an education as we have so many activities like chess, karate, yoga, skating and spoken. We play games, we went on field trips and enjoyed a lot. Thank you ma'am, thank you so much. We love you so much.
Our teachers, Priyanka ma'am, Chamundeshwari ma'am, Nagalakshmi ma'am, always guide us with a friend like a mother. Our teachers are never angry even while our do naughty things. Sometimes they are punished strictly even though our teachers are made all day our bright future. Thank you ma'am, thank you for caring us.
I would like to thank our teachers from kindergarten to
Amlo ma'am, Sumalata ma'am, Padma ma'am, Anuja ma'am, Hasina ma'am, Chamdeshwar ma'am, Nalakshmi ma'am, Aisha ma'am, and special thanks to Priyank ma'am to train us as what we are today for love and affections. Thank you.
When we enter the school, we get a warm welcome from our teachers with a cute smile. I feel very gratitude to thank all van drivers, caretakers and schoolmates. Thank you for your love and care. We will always run to bring a good name to all of you. Thank you all.
All of parents, ఈవినింగ్ మూలపేట బ్రాంచ్ యాన్యువల్ డే ఫంక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడున్న ప్రతి పేరెంట్స్ కూడా ఇన్విటేషన్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో పంపించున్నాం. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ వచ్చి ప్రోగ్రామ్ని జయప్రదం చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుచున్నాం. అదేవిధంగా రంగోలీ ప్రైజ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఉంది. అదేవిధంగా ఒలింపియాడ్ పిల్లల యొక్క ప్రైజులన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకా ఒక 2 సాంగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ తిలకించి వెళ్ళవలసిందిగా కోరుచున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Pavitra from 7th standard. T. Lokesh Sai Surya from 7th standard. P. Navyasri from 8th standard. M. Yashashwini from 9th standard. Absentees, we will definitely give you the medals tomorrow. Next, silver medals for the Grand Test 1. Silver medals for the Grand Test 1. N. Lakshmi Purvik from 1st standard. Okay, not silver medals. Grand Test 2. Again, gold medals only I am calling Grand Test 2. Gold medals. N. Kritisha from 1st standard. N. Kritisha. N. Kritisha from 1st standard. P. Sivasaket from 1st standard. Sitan Ram. Sivasaket, Sitan Ram. S.K. Jasmine. S.K. Jasmine. O. Abhishek Manjit. O. Abhishek Manjit. M. Joel from 4th standard. M. Joel. D. Sai Rishita from 4th standard. D. Sai Rishita from 4th standard. V. Dikshit Sai. P. Tarun Teja from 5th standard. P. Dikshit Sai. P. Tarun Teja from 5th standard. Dikshit Sai from 5th standard. M. Harshit from 6th standard. Kanishka from 7th standard. Kanishka. T. Mokshita from 7th standard. T. Mokshita. T. Mokshita from 7th standard. T. Lokesh Sai Surya from 7th standard. P. Navyasri from 8th standard. Doing among all the 8 conducted tests, we taken only the Grand Test. First Grand Test winner, second Grand Test winner, gold medal winners. Gold medal winners completed. For the absentees, by tomorrow evening, we will hand over to your parents. Next, get ready, the silver medal winners. Next, silver medal winners and Lakshmi Purvik from 1st standard. E. Monisha from 1st standard. E. Monisha. E. Monisha. U Prasanna Jyoti. U Prasanna Jyoti. E Monisha from first standard, silver medal. U Prasanna Jyoti from first standard. E Monisha from first standard. U Prasanna Jyoti from first standard, silver medals. A Akshita from first standard. G Bharat from first standard. Monisha Prasanna Jyoti, Akshita, Bharat. Akshita, Bharat. Next is Venkat Sivalochan from second standard. Venkat Sivalochan from second standard. K. Joshna Priya from second standard. K. Joshna Priya. K. Joshna Priya from second standard. P. Srujan Kumar from third standard. P. Srujan Kumar from third standard. P. Navadeep from fourth standard. P. Navadeep from fourth standard. Joshna Priya, Srujan Kumar, P. Navadeep from fourth standard. S.K. Anisha Anjum from fourth standard. S.K. Anisha Anjum from fourth standard. P. Tarun Teja from fifth standard. G. Roshika from fifth standard. Anisha Anjum, Tarun Teja, Roshika. P. Sri Suvarsha from sixth standard. Suvarsha from sixth standard. S.K. Tahir Ahmed. S.K. Tahir Ahmed. Roshika, Tarun Teja, S.K. Tahir, Satya Sai Vibhas. Karthik Satya Vibhas from 7th standard. Karthik Satya Vibhas from 7th standard. K. Deepak from 7th standard. K. Deepak from B. Vanaja from 8th standard. P. Balaji from 8th standard. P. Balaji from 8th standard. N. Lavanya from 9th standard. N. Lavanya from 9th standard. For the test number 2 silver medals, K. Revan from first standard. K. Revan from first standard. K. Revan from first standard. S.K. Atif, P. Pujita. K. Revan, S.K. Atif from first standard. P. Pujita from second standard. K. Joshna Priya from second standard. Pujita, Joshna Priya. E. Madhurya from third standard. E. Madhurya from third standard. P. Padma Priya from third standard. Padma Priya from third standard. S. Wesley Joel from fourth standard. Wesley Joel. Wesley Joel from fourth standard. N. Mokshita. N. Mokshita from fourth standard. N. Mokshita, absent. S.K. Shiva Anjum from fifth standard. S.K. Shiva Anjum from fifth standard. Yes, Penny. Yes, Penny from fifth standard. Yes, Penny from fifth standard. N. Amit Wali from sixth standard. Shivanjam, Penny, Amit Wali. Yes, Venkata Muktesh. Yes, Venkata Muktesh. A. Pavitra from 7th standard. D. S. Rani from 7th standard. Penny, Amit Wali, Muktesh, Pavitra, Indrani. Indrani from 7th standard. Elia Elisha from 8th standard. So these are the silver medals for the 2 grand tests conducted by AIMS Academy. And bronze medals are there. Please be patient. Rangoli winners are there. Please have some time. Please be seated. Now the bronze medal winners for the 2 grand tests. Both Tanish John Sundar from first standard. Tanish John Sundar from first standard. Vaishnavi Sahi from first standard. Vaishnavi Sahi from first standard. Fatima from first standard. O Tanish Jan Sundar. G Vaishnavi Sai. SK Aliza. MD Zaid. MD Zaid. S Sesivika from second standard. Sesivika from second standard. O Abhishek Manjit. Abhishek Manjit from third standard. Ishan Vaibhav from fourth standard. Clap, clap, audience. Ishan Vaibhav from fourth standard. Riya Sastra from fourth standard. Riya Sastra from fourth standard. Varshita. E Varshita from fifth standard. E Varshita from fifth standard. Sri Medhasri from sixth standard. Varshita. B Varshita from fifth standard. Sri Medhasri from sixth standard. Hema Tejashwini from sixth standard. From 6th standard. CH Devesh from 7th standard. CH Devesh from 7th standard. P Ganesh from 7th standard. P Ganesh. CH Abhinav from 8th standard. A Reshma Sri from 9th standard. Ganesh, Abhinav, Reshma Sri. Set of bronze medals. T Manashvi from first standard. Manashvi. G Mokshita Sarvani. K Satyasai Deepthi. Mokshita Sarvani. K Penchala Nitish. A Venkata Harsha from third standard. T Penchala Vikshit from third standard. G Penchala Harshit from third standard. Penchala Harshit from third standard. SK Tashin from fourth standard. Hazrat Mahi from fifth standard. Hazrat Mahi from fifth standard. S Lexi from fifth standard. R Raja Samyukta from sixth standard. P Dilip Kumar from sixth standard. R Raja Samyukta from sixth standard. Benny Blessy. Raja Samyukta. Dilip Kumar. M Sumaharsha from 7th standard. M Sumaharsha. M Rasi from 8th standard. M Sumaharsha. M Rasi from 8th standard. Olympiad winners for the academic year 24-25 for the 2 grand test. These are the winners from Fatehganj branch. Next, Rangoli participants, Rangoli winners, come forward. The final song from 6th class students. Vanaja Vinod Kumar parent Parvati Garu, Lahari Manasa's mother Lakshmi Garu, Lokesh Sai Surya Kirtika's mother Rajita Garu, G Vaishnavi Sai parents Ravali Garu, Hema Karthik's mother Gayatri Garu, Ayan Karthik's mother Mrs. Subhana Lakshmi Garu, Ayan Karthik's mother. M. Mokshagna's mother, Anu Garu. Mokshagna mother, Anu Garu. Mokshagna's mother, Anu Garu, రాలేదు. కీర్తి ప్రియ నవదీప్స్ మదర్ శిరీష గారు. కీర్తి ప్రియ నవదీప్. లక్ష్మీ పూర్విక మదర్ కల్పన గారు. లక్ష్మీ పూర్విక మదర్ కల్పన గారు. కీర్తన నిఖిల్ హేమ తేజస్విస్ మదర్ రత్నమ్మ గారు.